Australia is emerging as India's key partner in the Indo-Pacific region. Presently, India's strategic defense partner, Australia, is now keen to expand its partnership beyond security and defense. Following escalating tensions with China, Australia may soon enter into a trade agreement with New Delhi to boost its mining sector and wine sales, sectors most affected by the trade wars with China. China has been Australia's biggest importer of commodities from its key sectors. However, post the trade conflict with China, Australia is now searching for a new vast market. India, being the economic giant in the region, is Australia's foremost choice. China and Australia ties soured after Australia insisted on an independent international investigation into the COVID-19 origins in China. To retaliate against Canberra's calls for the inquiry, Beijing imposed barriers on barley, beef, wine, and coal from Australia. Moreover, trade ministers of Japan, India, and Australia, working together for achieving supply chain resilience, also added to the list of grievances of China. Hence, Australia is now looking to diversify its trade portfolio in India. Coal India Limited is amongst the companies involved in talks with Australian authorities to explore trade opportunities. In June, the two countries signed a defense agreement and upgraded ties to a comprehensive strategic partnership. Over the years, India has emerged as Australia's fastest growing market. New enrollments of Indian students in Australia have expanded 32% in 2019. Reportedly, India has also overtaken China as the largest source of net migration to Australia. India's diaspora currently in Australia is the third largest after China and the UK. India's and Australia's partnership is also strategic for the Quad framework in the Indo-Pacific region.